So now we've created our measure, we need to go in and create our chart. So to do this, we want to make sure we're within the measures and charts section of our project. You'll then be able to see the measure that we have just set up. If we click into that measure, we can add our chart. To do that, click on this Add a Chart button here. So first of all, we need to give our chart a name. Once we have named our chart, we can add in our data. To do this, click Add a Row button here. We now have two options of how to add in your data. First of all, we can do it manually. To do that, click on this calendar button here, choose the date, and then add in the value. If we add another row, you'll see that the date has automatically populated because we set this run chart up to be data collection frequency of daily. You'll also see these rubbish bin icons here. So if we click on that, we are able to delete any data points that we've added. So the second way to add in data is by copying and pasting from an Excel spreadsheet. So first of all, we want to make sure that both of these boxes are clear. We're then going to come into our Excel spreadsheet, highlight the data that we want to copy over, click copy, come back into the system, right click within the date box here, hit paste, and then you'll see that all of our data has automatically come through. It is important to note that you need to make sure you're copying over the same amount of columns that LifeQI is expecting. For example, here we would not be able to copy in 3 columns worth of data. Once we've added all of our data, we're going to click Create Chart. As you can see, our chart is now showing under our chart section of the measures. If we click into that chart, you can see that LifeQI has automatically drawn that chart for you. So we're now able to start annotating our chart. So within the next video, I'm going to show you how to change the phases, how to adjust the control limits, how to add in PDSA cycles, and how to add in notes. It's also important to know that you are able to export your chart from LifeQI. To do this, click on the Actions button. Here you can either export it as an image or you can export the datasheet from LifeQI, and this will go into a CSV file within Excel.